Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by locking down essentials so you can act fast. Identify exactly which adventure panda you seek, name, spawn region, or event, because that directs every next move. Grab your map, compass, or GPS, a charged phone, flashlight, and notebook. Those let you record sightings and coordinates. Once ready, pick a start time and a 30 to 90-minute search window. This keeps you focused and adapts for weather or crowd changes, so you don't waste time guessing. You now move into methodical searching. Divide the area into 50 to 100-meter grid squares and sweep each square systematically to avoid repeats. While sweeping, listen closely for unique audio cues and concentrate on high traffic or spawn-favored zones, since Adventure Panda often appears there. Make sure to record every sighting with time, coordinates, and observed behavior in your notebook or phone. That log reveals patterns. Once a pattern emerges, you'll focus efforts precisely. You're at the finish line. Approach Adventure Panda slowly and predictably so you don't spook it, and deploy bait or a distraction if available. This increases success rates. After capture or confirmation, document the final location and export coordinates to your map for future runs or others. If you can't find it, troubleshoot by widening the grid, shifting your search time to dawn or dusk, and checking active events or spawns. This combination fixes most failures and helps you adapt quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.